Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Bethian. Students, myself Dr. Janandra, and we have the topic consumption function of the macroeconomics of the class 12. Students, consumption function shows the functional relationship between income and consumption. There is a positive relationship in the income and consumption. When the income of the economy increases, consumption level also increases, but not in the same ratio. Some part of income is saved as saving, and there is a gap between the income and consumption. That is, when income increases, consumption also increases, but the increase in consumption lag behind the increase in income. We show the consumption function with the help of the following function. C is equal to the function of y. It shows the functional relationship between income and y. Here C is equal to consumption expenditure and y is equal to the income. Y is equal to the income. There is a positive relationship. That is, when y increases, C also increases, and the vice versa. We can show the algebraic expression of C function in this way. C is equal to C bar plus B by. Here C is the consumption expenditure. C bar is equal to autonomous consumption. B is equal to MPC, and Y is the income. These are the functions of consumption. It is a simple function, consumption function, and it is the algebraic expression of the C function, that is the consumption function. In this way, we see that consumption function shows the functional relationship between income and consumption. We can show the consumption function with the help of following schedule. We have to put a schedule here. Consumption schedule. Here income. Here we put income. And C consumption in crore rupees. Crore rupees means we are showing here in the crore rupees of the economy. So income and consumption 0, 50, 100, 100. Here we see the following functional relationship between income and y, and here we see three main facts. What is the fact? At the income level of 0, there is some positive number of consumption. At income 0, consumption level is the 20 crore. It shows that there is always a positive consumption even on 0 level of income. Second, when income increases, consumption increases. And third, we see that consumption doesn't increase with the same rate of increase in income. Here we see that increase in income is the 50 crore, but in the consumption there is the increase of 40 crore. It means 10 crore has saved, and there is a gap between the income and consumption. It is the saving. S is equal to Y minus C. Consumption. In this way, we see three things here. First, at the 0 level of income, there is a positive number of consumption. Here is the 20 crore. income increases, consumption also increases, but consumption doesn't increases with the same rate in increase of the income, and there is a gap between the income and consumption. We can show the consumption function with the help of the following graph. At the basis of the following schedule, we can draw a graph and show the consumption function. We can show here. Here C bar is equal to the 20. Here C bar, C is the consumption curve, which shows that when income increases, consumption also increases. At the income level of 100, consumption is equal to the 100. Below it, consumption is greater than the income, and after this point, income is greater than consumption. That is the gap between income and consumption. Here is the positive saving. That is the consumption function. In the next video, we will see the saving function.